In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically create a new deal in your pipeline from a form submission. This process is simple, saves you time, and ensures that every lead gets captured without any manual effort. Stick around till the end because I'll also be giving you an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, available only for viewers of this channel. To start, you'll need a form, which could be a contact form, a quote request, or even a custom form you've set up for your business. For this example, we're going to integrate this form with our software to automatically create a new deal in the pipeline as soon as it's submitted. So let's dive in. The first step is to make sure that your form is integrated with the software we're using today. Most platforms allow for easy form integrations, and if you haven't done that already, check your settings or integrations page. Once you're in the integration section, select the form you're using and connect it to the software. This might take a minute or two, depending on the platform, but once it's connected, you're almost there. Next, navigate to the automation section of the software. This is where the magic happens. What we want to do is create a rule that says, when this form is submitted, create a new deal in my pipeline. You'll usually have options to choose what information you want to pull from the form, things like the lead's name, email, phone number, and any other fields that you've included in your form. Select the fields you want to carry over to the deal. Now, let's talk about how the deal is structured. You'll want to define the deal stage and assign it to the appropriate pipeline. You can either set this up to automatically add the deal to a specific stage, or you can let the software assign it based on preset rules. Make sure to choose the right pipeline so that the new deal lands exactly where you want it. This is key to ensuring that your sales process flows smoothly. Once you've selected the pipeline and stage, you can further customize the deal by adding more automation rules. For example, you might want to set a follow-up task or notify your sales team as soon as the deal is created. These little touches can help you ensure that no lead falls through the cracks. Now that you've set up the automation, go ahead and test it. Fill out the form yourself or have someone else do it. As soon as the form is submitted, you should see a new deal created in your pipeline, complete with all the information you pulled from the form. Check that everything looks good, and if there are any tweaks to make, you can go back into the settings and adjust as needed. Before I finish up, remember that the software we're using today has an exclusive free trial available only for my viewers. You can get access to it through the link in the description below, so don't miss out if you want to follow along step by step. Key takeaway: automating the creation of new deals in your pipeline from a form submission is a game changer for your sales process. It saves you time, ensures no leads are missed, and keeps your pipeline updated without extra work. You just need to integrate your form, set up the automation rules, and you're good to go. To quickly recap, we connected the form to the software, set up the automation to create a deal in the pipeline, and customize the deal with the right fields and stages. Remember, if you want to try out the software for free, grab that exclusive free trial link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.